Looks like a 31, doesn't it? 50, 57, 57. No heat call. I did check the thermostat upstairs. We'll see what the 57 is. Pressure switch open. Yeah, the flipping motor's red hot. I bet you there's a flipping bird in here or something. We might have bats in the belfry here, Mama. Motor's pretty hot. Thing's only been in a couple of years. Let's see. I doubt it. We have bats in the belfry. We might have bats in the belfry. We gotta check this first thing. I got a live one there, Mama. Oh man, I got a live one there. There's a stinker. It's a blackbird. Looks pretty clean in there. Looks pretty clean in there. It should fire up now. That's something, huh? It's along here. If I can get it out. If I can. And you're better off just... Got a live one here, Mama. Got a live one. Oh, she's a little dirty. She needs a little cleaning. You would figure that they would make this thing easier to get to, but no. I should. Dead bird. I'd do it every time, the dead bird. Flipping dead bird trick. Flipping dead bird trick. I should fire it up now. Alright. There's no more. I checked inside the smoke pipe. There's no more. No more birds in there. That's something. I'm just gonna disconnect that to get some of the shit out of there. I don't know what the flipping rocks are in there and shit, but let's try it again. Seemed like it was a little rough starting there. A little rough on the start. Might have to take that burner apart and clean it. That's better. Fired right up nice that time. Alright, I'm good with it. Alright, remove bird from exhaust blade, fan blade. I'll give it to him in this little dish. Oh, blackbird. You want to drive? You love driving, Miss Molly. You love driving. You love driving. You love driving.